First one is backlog, the major problem. So minimum I have to give 8 hours. Since I even don't know how I will gonna do it, but that is something I have to do. So hello everyone, I'm Samir Ahmad and I'm in BSc third year. And today I'm gonna make an announcement that I'm going to start my GE journey from today. I know it's late, but it's not too late because I'm not going for AIR one. AIR 2999 is all that I want. I want a seat in any of IIT, seven IITs in India. Few problems that I'm seeing from this position starting at first one is backlog, the major problem. So for clearing backlog, I'm not gonna give a lot of extra time to clear all that problem. I mean, I'm not gonna live two timelines. One is to clearing backlog and another is live. I'm gonna watch the live lectures. I'm gonna study live and the point that are coming in front. I'm studying something in Newton laws of motion and any concept of kinematics came there. So I will note down in my homework diary and then I will give some extra time to clear that particular topic. In this manner, those topics which are correlating from the earlier topics I will clear out. And this is my strategy to cover the backlog. This is very useful in I think in organic chemistry, when I will do conversions, many reactions will come, many name reactions will come, and since I don't have time to study the reaction mechanism and GOC all again, so I will clear the point from like resonance came, so I will study resonance and that thing. And second thing, which I'm admitting that I have to give a lot of time, so I decide that daily minimum I have to give 8 hours. Since I even don't know how I will gonna do it, but that is something I have to do if I really want to achieve something. Minimum 8 hour daily. And I was very confused about buying a batch. Should I buy? Should I don't buy? Because uh, it is August and should I waste my money and all that? But at the end, I came to conclusion that I have to buy a batch because without batch, there's no clear-cut pathway on which I have to walk. Because batches provide you a path on which you have to walk. Like you have to complete a syllabus, then there's test, and there's this, and at the end your paper. So batches provide you a clear pathway on which you have to walk. So that's why I bought a PW batch, which is affordable for me, and 400 is not a big deal to waste at present because dependency on parents doesn't give you the weightage of doesn't explain you the weightage of money. So these are the few things that today I want to share with you guys. I think no one is gonna watch the video, and maybe in future someone watch when I was in any of the IIT. So thank you guys, and let's we will figure out the problems that will come.